up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. I'm gathering by the title you already kind of have a little bit of an idea of what we're doing today. So without further ado, we're gonna head that way. Yes, I am in Project Cherry Bomb. The reason I'm in Project Cherry Bomb is because my Fox body is in a million pieces, stuck on a trailer, and my diesel is broken. So yeah, that's kind of my situation at this point. I'm glad I didn't go ahead and tear this car apart. Sorry for the noise. Yes. Yeah, that's all coming out. But anyway, let's get to the shop. Alright guys, so fun fact, I don't know if you can see it in the mirror there. It was like this Scat Pack Charger was trying to troll on me. So like he got up beside me and you know he's messing around a little bit, and it's like I rolled down the windows just like, no, it's slow, and you know he's giving me that, yeah, you're full of shit look, blah blah blah. So what I do in this car, because it's got the big and the littles and it sounds good, and you know it's got the stance and all that, I play it off like, oh, it's slow and all that, like I'm sandbagging, but the fact of the matter is I'm meant for slow. Like, it's really slow, so yeah, I'm not messing around with that. But yeah, fun fact for the day. Let's go. I'm telling you, you just never know when you're gonna see a Fox body. Alright boys, so we are in the city of Henderson, Tennessee, just south of Jackson. If you were here for Ford Takeover, this is down close to where we held the dyno event at the Horsepower Factory. And this is where the shop is. We're almost there. All right, so let's see what is popping off. Oh, geez. Yeah, I gotta put door pins in the Cherry Bomb, guys. All right, guys, so here we are. I had you going for a minute. You're thinking, I don't know what you were thinking. Anyway, guys, welcome to HGR. Yes, guys, there's a whole lot of badassery, and somewhere in here is Ken, better known as Speed Addict 731 slash HGR slash HP. I said dude, I said HGR. I'm gonna have to go back now. I'm just gonna roll with it. Uh-oh. Dude, what are you doing? HPR.
You get that right.
Yeah, Hilliard Performance Racing.
Hilliard Performance and Racing, but it's just HPR.
And Racing.
Just HPR, like don't make it complicated. HPR.
All right, let's talk about car stuff. Come on, what are we doing here?
Getting the Whipple ready to go on this GT350 in here. So we got.
Right. So I'm not gonna slow you down too much, but run us through real quick, because you got some badass stuff
2020 GT350, we put American Racing catted headers on it, and then we're putting a stage 2 Whipple on it.
Nice. Yeah. I'm assuming oil pump gears.
Have you seen this right here? Motion Racework lift plate.
I have seen. I haven't.
Dude, I
love
love these things,
man. But yeah, that's.
So it's like if I do headers or anything and want to drop the subframe or whatever I want to do. Yeah. Support the engine. I use that right there. It works perfect.
Just give you enough room.
Yeah.
To...
bolts right down. Then when you take it loose, you bolt it right. Put the bolts right back in there. Lift it off. Works perfect.
Sweet.
Also, sometimes I lay it on there just to cover the engine up because it sets so flat it covers the engine up. Yeah. So we're doing a stage 2 Whipple on this with a Whipple tune. And this one right here is getting a nitrous outlet Pro Max set up.
Nice.
All the goodies on it. He's gonna be spraying about 150 shots. He's gonna be getting tuned by Daryl from Winger Performance. And then this car right here is from Oklahoma. Customer got started on it, and he's trying to get ready for Rocky Mountain Race Week.
Oh, sweet.
And so he didn't have enough time to finish it, and he's trying to help his son get his turbo Chevy truck.
Oh, okay.
So he shipped this down. Bro, I actually drove it down, trailered it down to me to finish it up, finish the fuel system, get it all tidied up for him, and getting it ready to roll. It's got a Whipple on it.
Is it Whipple car too?
Yeah, it's a Whipple car also.
Dude, y'all are keeping Whipple in business, aren't you?
Yeah. Whipple and V&V.
I swear, when I pulled up, I thought this was your old car, which is Chris's car.
This is Lightning Blue.
I hear the VMP heat exchanger firing up.
That's not. That's Whipple.
Oh, okay.
Whipple. Come on now.
I didn't. Well, see, I'm used to the one VMP makes with the dual fan.
Yeah, dual fan. So,
another Gen 5 Whipple.
Yeah, Gen 5 Whipple.
And the fuel system.
Yeah, he plumbed the fuel system and he put the Whipple on. So basically I'm coming in, I had to wire the fuel system, get it all wired up, get it ready, go through and tighten all the fittings up, make sure all the fittings were nice and tight. Gotcha. Get everything ready, get it fired up, get the logs ready for Daryl. Daryl will be tuning this during Rocky Mountain Race Week for the customer.
Nice.
So
nice. Very nice.
It's going good.
And you've got more. You got more to show us, right?
Yeah. Got more in here.
Dude, you know I love the eye candy. And I have to say, before we go any farther, this freaking Shelby, it's the right color.
GT350, man. Look.
Dude.
Yeah. I love this car. That's Ford right there, man.
Yeah.
You know, I put one like that on the blue car.
I remember that, yeah. I had money,
Look
right?
what he named this car's name. He's a retired military.
Okay.
Lieutenant Dan's the car's name.
Lieutenant Dan. Hey, we've got a Lieutenant Dan too.
Lieutenant Dan got new legs. I did. Now this one we did the nitrous, but we also did full BMR. I think he pretty much got everything out of the BMR catalog.
Gotcha. So drag, suspension.
Yeah, everything up under there is right. It's got a drag. We did a drag alignment on it. So nice. It's ready to roll. He's gonna have a lot of fun in this car. It's got a, he brought it to us. It already has a Circle D stall in it. Okay. So 150 shot, it should move on.
Oh yes. But I see more badassery poking in here.
This right here, guys, I have not had a chance to clean it up. So please do not ridicule me in the comments. I've got to clean it up. We've got shelving that was put there from previous businesses. Yeah. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that shelving or I'm gonna take it out and bring in my metal shelving. I had metal shelving at the other place. We had some metal shelving, and I might do that. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But anyway, this is Andrew from modernmuscleperformance.net car. We put the VMP kit in, put a 4 fuel system in it. It put down 945 to the wheel on Alexano.
Dude, so I remember this car from Ford Takeover. It was...
It's pretty quick and evil. Getting some things ironed out with as far as like, we put some suspension in it, which helped us out at the drag strip, and just basically, I think it's a never-ending project. I think he's actually thinking about selling it right now.
No, why?
He was talking to me today about getting rid of it. It might be a 13, 14, 500. And now this one right here, this one is from New Mexico. Customer had another shop. He wasn't too happy with the shop, so he actually shipped it from New Mexico to here for me to get it looked at and kind of go over everything and get it where he wants it. So yeah, so we got to look at this probably first of next week, get it in there, access what it needs to be, you know, corrected on it, and get it running right for him. Gotcha. This one's also being tuned by Winger Performance. Awesome. Drew's is tuned by Winger Performance. So the Shelby D350 guy, he just, for right now, he just wanted to go with the Whipple tune, and you know, so.
Yeah, he'll be back. He'll want more.
We actually had, last week, we had a guy come down from North Ohio. He had a Hellion twin turbo car. Ooh. And he didn't have the oil pump gear and the crank sprocket in, so I had, and it's the top mount Hellion, so it's the one that sits right here. So I got I got the pleasure of taking out the twin turbo setup just to do oil pump gears and crank sprocket and put it all back together for him. If anybody's asking, yes, we do have a business license. We are legit.
Yeah. Insured, licensed.
We do have insurance on the shop. We got all that stuff. Credit cards. So, you know, hey, we do take credit cards.
PayPal, credit cards, whatever. Yeah. Let's go through this real quick. So, Ken, how long has this been your dream to have a shop?
Man, forever.
And I've always told him, like, do it, do it, do it, do it. And he's finally done it. Guys, look, he's full-time now, so this is how he earns his money. So, I'll have all the link in the description, and also I've got him on my website as a recommended shop. I know we're gonna get these questions, and we're just gonna go rapid fire. Do you do push rod work?
Yes.
If I bring you heads, cam, intake, trick flow, you got it?
Yes.
So all Coyote, anything basically. What about 2 valves, 4 valves?
2 valves, 4 valves. I mean, I cut my teeth on them. I mean, I've been a technician for over 10 years for Ford, so I mean, I've pretty much I've been inside 3 valve engines, 2 valve engines, 4 valve engines. Yep. I had an 0304, I had an 03 Cobra. I actually helped a friend build a motor for his 03 Mach 1, fully built. So I mean, I'm no stranger to any of the mod motors. GT500, I had a 12 GT500. I'm no stranger to it. Yeah, so basically mod motor, and when I was younger, I mean heads cam intake on a 302, that's what we did, you know? So,
yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
It's always been a dream of mine to have a shop like this. We do repair work also. It's not just performance.
You have tuning options too. You're teamed up with Wingard.
Yeah, I'm teamed up with Wingard, so all the tuning options are there for Wingard. He tunes all the cars. We can data log for him. I actually have an RTD, so I can pretty much data log, and he can see what he would see if he was here in person. So there you go, guys. That is what is up. Again,
all the information down below. We need to get Ken busy. Here's the situation, guys. One of my main goals in doing this is we got to flood this shop. We got to get Ken busy. I want him to be able to hire Chris full time, and I want this to take off. Obviously, we'll be back down here filming, showing off some of his cars. And Ken's already sponsoring Ford Takeover for next year.
Of course.
HPR. Did I get that right?
HPR. You got it right this time. I don't know what you was doing. I heard you coming to the shop. I'm like, did he say what I thought he said?
I did, yeah. I don't know. I didn't even know where that came from.
So whenever you say it, just put HPR, put my logo right over your face every time you say it.
I will do that. But seriously, guys, factory Ford trained technician. He's been at it for a lot of years. And you know, I don't recommend any shop unless I know them personally and know their work and know the quality of work and their dedication. And
yeah, I mean, I treat everybody's car like it's my car.
Yep.
If I won't do it to my car, I won't do it to your car. I've actually had a couple of cars in here that some stuff was done to it that I didn't necessarily like. I contacted the customer and said, hey, can I go back in and tweak this? And they're like, sure. And I go back in and tweak it to my standards. Because, I mean, if it leaves the shop, I want it right.
Right.
You know, and I don't want anything to leave the shop that ain't right. If it means the car's got to stay here a little longer to make it happen, it is what it is.
Yeah. So, there you go, guys. He's wide open. He's full-time. He needs to be able to buy equipment. He needs to be able to hire staff to help him out. So, hit him up in the description, link in the description. Yes, he will do coyote swaps and all this other stuff, but he's not going to sit here and float your parts and do all this other stuff. So have your parts ready, have your funds ready to go, and he will knock it out and do top-notch work. Ken, dude, I'm so proud that you got your shop.
It's scary, but it's awesome at the same time.
I'm freaking.
It's kind of like everybody asks me like, "How you feeling?" I'm tired. And then at times it sets in, you're like, you don't get a phone call, or you're like, okay, I got this much work to do this. Okay, I think I'm okay. We'll see.
All right, guys. So there you go. Again, contact down in the description. He's just outside of Jackson, Tennessee, which is where we're out of. So you know it's very easy to get to from anywhere. And
I'm 5 minutes from Horsepower Factory. That is the dyno that we use. Yep. So yes, we can put your car on the dyno. We can take down to Allen at Horsepower Factory and slap on the dyno and get you some dyno numbers if that's what you want. And then if you want to come down yourself and take it to a drag strip on Friday night, we'll be right there with you and helping you there too. Also, so
anything you need. So and again, you know, I'll be back down here. You know, when Ken gets stuff in from time to time, we'll come down and show off what he's got going on too. I'm super excited. So let's get this shop blown up. I can't wait. Ken, again,
appreciate it.
Proud of you, brother. All right. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you next time.